Now we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 86. And let me show you the freeform gradient. Yet again, we'll use a rectangle, then we click on it with the gradient tool. And you can see at the top, linear is the default, it should be active. And the third option is the freeform. Let me also open the gradient menu. And here you can see it again, it's the gradient type. Let's use the freeform and we'll set it to points, at least for this tutorial. So make sure that points is active. And then you should be able to see 4 points by default. If you hover over them, you will also get this dashed line, this dotted line. And if you left click on it, you can change the swatch. You can do that at the top left. You can double click here on the swatch. And you can also directly double click on these stops. And this will all open a color menu. In this case, the swatches. For the most part, I like to use the one at the top. Now this dashed line, what is it? Well, it's simply the spread. You can drag it out there and you can see right here, changes from 0 to 100%. So this is how far this gradient will basically feather out. You can also hover over empty areas and you can see your cursor now has a plus sign. And if you left click now, a new stop will be created. So you can create as many as you want. When you want to delete them, left click on them so that they're active and then simply press the delete key and they're gone. In the next video, we're going to talk about the lines, but this is how you can use the freeform gradient with the point type. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.